Welcome. Today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device with Ampere app. So first you should go to the Play Store and here on the search pool type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while the application is installing on your phone. Okay, now just open the application and here click yes I agree, pick close, and right there on the left down corner you have to tap OK. And as can you see, now we can see the temperature of your phone, that's 33. Also you can see the health, the model phone, the Android version, and more information about your phone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.